Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Welcome back to my YouTube channel viewers. How are you all, my YouTube community and my sweet friends? I hope my all the lovely viewers are good and healthy. So Allah bless you all and always be happy friends. First of all, thank you so much viewer for watching my all the previous videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this and I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Secondly, you can see friends, in this video we are providing you most amazing and most trending design of handmade crochet dresses ideas, especially for summer collection. So please don't skip the video, watch the video start to end because all of these designs are so stunning, so unique and very useful. I hope viewer you all love these type of beautiful and outstanding collection of handmade crochet dresses. These are especially for crochet lovers collection. So we will share this video with your family and lovely friends who want these type of most attractive and trending design of handmade crochet dresses articles. These are very trendy and very colorful collection and black and white are totally amazing ideas. I hope they will love these beautiful black and white color collection articles. So we will please share the video and if you all love this article viewers, so watch my video. You know very well different people have different choices and they love different type of colors and themes. So in this video you will see different colors, different decent and unique design of handmade crochet articles. These are very beautiful dresses, so pick your favorite one and must make these beautiful trending color combination. Apply this design on yourself for more beautiful and outclass looks. Thank you viewer for watching my all the previous videos and watch this video for those people who searching beautiful and outclass collection. These are very amazing collection for them and they will get new design, new ideas related to your crochet articles. So my lovely viewer, now I am share with you the benefits of crochet dresses. It's comfortable and crochet dresses are often made with soft breathable yarn, making them incredibly and comfortable to wear. Flexibility: crochet fabric is flexible and stretchy, allowing for a full range of motion. Versatility: crochet dresses can be dressed up and down and are sustainable for various occasions from casual to formal events. Unique and handmade crochet: each crochet dress is handmade, making it a one of a kind piece of with a personal touch. Sustainable crochet dresses can be made with eco-friendly yarn, reducing waste and supporting sustainable fashion. Customizable crochet dresses can be easily customized with fit individual body types and style preference. Timeless: crochet dresses can be treasured for years as they often become family heirlooms or passed down pieces. Relaxing: to make crochet dresses, crocheting a dress can be a calming and therapeutic activity, providing a creative outlet. Cost effective: crochet dresses can be made with affordable yarn, making them a budget friendly fashion options. Empowering: creating your own crochet dress can be a fulfilling experience, giving you a sense of pride in your handmade garments. Overall, crochet dresses offer a combination of comfort, versatility, and sustainability, making them a great choice for those who value handmade, unique, and fashion pieces. I hope you all are understand with the benefits of crochet dresses in summer. So it's a main and popular collection in all the beginners' mind. What is the crochet? Now I am share with you the answer of this question. What is the crochet? Crochet, a wonderful hobby that combines creativity, relaxation, and handiness. Crochet is a popular needlework technique that involves using a hook and yarn to create fabric. It's used to make a wide range of items from clothing and accessories to home decor and toys. So viewer, if you are interested to learning how to crochet, I can provide you some basic instruction and resources to get you started. Or if you are already an experienced crocheter, I would be happy to help you with patterns, tips and inspiration for your next project. What would you like to know about crochet? Share your experience, share your all the things. And viewer, some fun facts about crochet are uh, here are some fun facts about crocheting. And crochet is a French word meaning hook. The first known evidence of crochet dates back to 1824 in South America. Crochet was originally used to make clothing accessories and home decor items. The most common crochet hook material are aluminum, steel, and wood. Crochet has many health benefits, including reducing stress, improving fine motor skills, and promoting relaxation. The world's largest crochet hook was 6 feet tall and 2 inches wide. Crochet is a popular hobby needle work, and it's worldwide with millions people are enthusiastic. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced crocheter, there's always something new to learn and create. So happy crocheting, viewer! If you all love these articles, and viewer, if you are interested in more design, and if you all love these articles, so like my video, subscribe my channel, and please don't forget to press the bell icon for the new and latest update. Viewers, when you press the bell icon, you receive the notification of my recently uploading videos. Be connected with me, friends, and remember me in your precious prayers, and be support me like this forever. My all the YouTube community are very supportive, very kind. I am see. Thank you, viewer, for watching my all the previous videos. Okay, my lovely friends, please remember me in your all the precious prayers. See you soon. Take care and Allah Hafiz. Bye bye, viewers.